Welcome to Decker Training Facility at County Line MX, one of Florida's most premier motocross training compounds. We're located in beautiful Fountain, Florida, about a 40-minute drive from Panama City Beach. Our rapidly growing facility consists of a pro-level national track, amateur track, youth track, woods loop, and mountain bike trails. On site, we have everything you need to train comfortably all winter long, including private cabins, a full gym, RV hookups, bathhouse, garage, dump station, wash bays, and more. With accommodations for riders across the country and around the world, Decker Training Facility will help you become the best rider you can be. Sign up for a group training session or a private lesson with nationally ranked pros. Train tougher, train smarter, train harder this off-season at one of Florida's most luxurious facilities. For more information, visit our website or find us on Facebook and Instagram. Decker Training Facility, your elite training experience.